as you start to edit the music into the feature, it's a really good idea to put markers down. If you see here, all you have to do is highlight the song as you're going and press M. Now, as you can see, I haven't actually put them on every beat. If I put them, I could put them on more divisions of that measure. So if I wanted to, but I know see, in that case, I'm just doing it I know that I could have on another beat, and if I was going to be really edit very fast, I could put them on put more markers down. But as you can see here, even though I didn't put the marker down, I did an edit there, and I did an edit there. So as long as I have markers down, I kind of know the tempo and I know where the beats are. And then as I'm editing, I can easily put them down. And that really helps you see where you should be doing that. So before I even start that, I listen to the song, I select it, and I put my markers down.